It's none of my business. I don't want to conquer anyone and should try to help everyone. This was once said by the greatest dictator of all time, Adolf Hitler, and this line should truly be the principle of our lives, as we all are human beings and we tend to live through each other's happiness and not by misery. Good evening. Today, I am Suryansh Yadav of RN Public School, Rudrapur. I am here to speak on humanity, to speak on a topic which is free of borders, borders of national flags, religions, castes, or creeds even. When we take a look at the earth from a distance of 6 billion kilometers through a space probe, the earth might seem to us as a tiny stage in this vast cosmic universe. But this pixel is full of stories of glories of privileged emperors who fought for their manhood and a piece of land. But on the other hand, this pixel is covered by some stories of love too, that ideally should have been more in number, but this is the harsh truth of our lives. During the hard time which we are facing today, this virus of COVID-19, also known as coronavirus, which is as small as 100 nanometers, has taught us all our limits. It has also taught us that only one ideology or one single religion can never fight it alone. The thing which can fight it is we, the humans. The humanity and our togetherness can only defeat this virus. Our ancestors, the first species of humankind, Homo habilis, who despite being hunters, lived in harmony within the race, and they would have never expected that their successors, who are we, the Homo sapiens, we the people, would be entangled within threads of national flags, religions, castes, creeds, and races. The earth has been a home for everyone in the history of mankind, every creator and destroyer of the civilization, every coward and every hero, every sinner and every virtuer, every supreme leader, and everyone in the history of mankind has lived his or her life on the same earth, on the same mote of dust on which we are living today. Then why the discrimination in terms of castes, color, or religion exists? Moreover, what I feel is when at the beginning of the spread of the contamination of coronavirus, we should have treated it as a common enemy to mankind and should have together tried to curb the problem away instead of focusing on our personal economic interests. This is now the high time to stop disturbing the balance of the nature, otherwise such situations might arise in the future as well. This all was my belief and my doctrine about humanity. Now I leave the decision about humanity up to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.